Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course today guys, I'm going to show you to install your SIM card in your a16 or other similar Android A series devices. Alright, so of course this is the a16 and as you can see here it's new. And to find a SIM port, it's on the side here, which is the left side, and you can see right here there's the SIM tray. Alright, now included in your box, this is the SIM tool. Alright, so in this particular section here that contains your documentation. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna remove the tool itself. It should slide right out or break. All right, so next you're just gonna simply get this tool, you're gonna place it in, you're gonna push all the way down with relative force. All right, so once you do, the tray will pop right up, you can remove it, and of course the tray will come out, so simply pull up. There you go. So of course this is the SIM tray. Be careful with these things, they're plastic. This one supports memory card, I think, along with the SIM, so you can actually place in your data. So go ahead guys, and we're gonna get the SIM, we're gonna place them in. So just give me a second. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and remove this. Remember the orientation. The section is at the top here, the dot is at the top here. All right, so here you go. Some trays are wider than some. Here we have a memory card slot, so you're gonna go ahead and slide in the memory card. It fits one way or one flush setting, so we're gonna go ahead and place this in. All right, and then you're gonna get the SIM card. You're gonna check the notch here for orientation. Notice the section here, so I'm going to place this in. All right, and these things are very small. Notice it fits in flush and easy. The memory card is a little bit tricky, so place one section in, make sure it's flush. All right, it should snap right in. All right, so make sure it's flush. All right, pause. All right, so make sure it's flush. So the SIM card goes in easy. Memory card will have to be snapped in a bit. I find that if you place it on the edge here and just simply press, it should snap in with relative force, not extreme force, but just a little pressure, it should snap in. All right, so you're gonna place this back in. It should go in without resistance. So make sure it's oriented correctly with the section at the top right here, and then you're gonna shove that all the way in. All right, so once you shove it all the way in, go ahead and unlock your device. All right, so you can see here mine says no service. You'll know you have done it correctly when the service message appears. This one says no service currently, but of course just give it a little while. All right, there we go, and there you go. It says the carrier here at the top there in this case, and sorry, let me just unlock. All right, all right, so it detects the SIM card, so we're gonna hit done. All right, so we can check the area here. It says the carrier, and of course it's connected. For the memory card, to make sure that one is in, we have to go ahead and check the memory card. It should pop up by itself. Let me see if it pops up for the memory card. All right, so there you go. It says SD card inserted, and there you can unmount or open, and don't need to open it because it has detected it, so it does detect the memory card, which is excellent. All right, so we have now set up the SIM and do the transfer. So of course, so your older device or wherever that SIM came from is good now, and of course your device is up. So all right, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, showing how to do the SIM and memory card install on your new A16 device or A series devices. All right, so as you can see, very easy. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.